Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link your eBay account to your TikTok. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now you will be needing first to go to your Seller Hub and you'll find Seller Hub from my eBay and then you will go to selling and then it will take you simply to Seller Hub. If you cannot find Seller Hub, that means that you've never used this before. So simply just go to Etsy, eBay, just type eBay Seller Hub and then just click on the eBay Seller Hub so you can be able to use it for the first time. So whenever you use this, you will be able to find Seller Hub here. Now we'd want to go to marketing. After that, we'd want to go to social so we can be able to connect our social accounts, including Facebook, Instagram, and other social accounts to our eBay account. As you can see here, you will be able to connect your social accounts, and from here we'll find a list of these social accounts. So there is Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, and YouTube. What we are interested in on this video is uh, TikTok. So basically, you want to click on the link, and by clicking on link, you will be able or you would need to confirm the access and the permissions for eBay to access to your information, like your avatar and noun, and to import like content from to TikTok, and it can also publish. So you can have some auto posting if you'd like. So you will need to give it the permission for posting for you, so you can whenever like putting or creating your listing, you would be able to create a social media posts for all your listing. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.